Hi there folks, I'm Nicole, your camping chick, and here's Penny, the camping dog. I'm over here at Worldwide RV in sunny and warm Mesa, Arizona. Folks, we are so excited. We have on our lot a 2022 Jayco Terrain. Folks, this coach is loaded with technology to keep you comfortable and safe on your far out, over the river and through the wood destination. Let's take a closer look. The Terrain comes on a 2500 4x4 chassis with aluminum wheels and off-road tires. It offers a 3-liter V6 diesel engine. The Terrain has an automatic wind sensing awning with LED patio lights and also LED lit running boards. Around back you have your removable ladder. And inside you have your 750-pound capacity drop-down bunk. With the bunk up, you've got plenty of space for all the things you brought with you on your trip. With plenty of space to move around inside, you come up to the front and you've got your driver's seat and passenger seat swivel seats. Along with all your Mercedes technology, you've got 2 bucket seats that slide and recline. You have a 12-volt, 3-foot cubic refrigerator, induction stovetop, and European-style cabinetry. You've got lots of pantry space. And for all your hygiene needs, you have an all-in-one shower and commode with removable bamboo shelving. Hey guys! Okay, there is so much more to show and tell on this Terrain. You need to come check it out for yourself. Come see me, Nicole, your camping chick, with Penny, the camping dog, at Worldwide RV, 4660 East Main, Mesa, Arizona. See you later.